Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here I am again for you guys. Well, I already recorded for summarize written text one more video as I already told you last time, but it's because of some editing I just missed out. But I'm here with you guys with one more video that's very important too. How you can get 90 each. So I just need to type everything, and please take a copy and pen, just write down everything. How you can achieve your score. Sorry, just give me a second. And PTE. So how much you want? 90 out of 90, right? I'm here just for 90 in PT because guys, look, in reading you don't need that much score, but I know some are missing out, but still I can help you out. But here I'm just talking about most important topic. So most important topics, so we are going to write here first, which is very important, essay. Very important, very important. So sorry, as I already provided you some predictions file, but if you still need for like more predictions file, as I have 36 questions to 38 questions which are repeating again and again, but I give you just a recently repeated question. But if you are very interested to do that one as well, I can provide you some sample answer as well meanwhile, and as well as that important questions too, right? So second we have dictation. That's very interesting guys. I will give you tips, tricks and tips for the dictation. This is very important. And I know some people will say, oh, there is no tips and tricks for the dictation. No, we have. It's just, you just think we don't, but yes, we have. I will help you in that one as well. So respond to a situation. Guys, do you want me to provide you some kind of template for the respond to a situation? So I can provide you that, and that's very easy. You will feel that you didn't do anything because I will provide you everything and you just need to speak that one. That's all. You don't need to add anything. And after that, describe image. I have for this one as well. Very easy and very good kind of template, but it's not template, right? You will fill it. It's template because you will be used to, you will do again and again. So it's not template, but you can fill it. It's template, right? But it's not, guys, so you don't feel I'm just going to provide you this is very beautiful image, these that. No, it's already done by the last year, I think last year, yes, last year 2024, I think. Yeah. So next is these are very important questions which I'm giving because we need 85 and 88 in writing and speaking. That's very important. In listening, if you are doing a respond to a situation, describe image, uh, repeat sentences, summarize group discussion, summarize written text, obviously you will get good marks, so you don't need to worry. Next we have, I already write, summarize group uh, discussion. Okay, do you want something from this part as well? I can help that. So obviously I'm going to help you guys slowly in every part, as I already posted for the read aloud. And as maybe I already told you, if you're gonna speak with just one line, this was one line strategy was going on, or you can just speak in one line, guys. If you will go for rechecking, and this time it is very important, you should go for rechecking because you will get refund your money, and it's very important to go for rechecking. I swear to God, this is very important this time. At the end you will get your money refund, so you don't need to worry. And then what I was talking about, I will provide you all the information about specific part. And when you will go for rechecking, you are not supposed to do one line, because if you will do one line read aloud, you will not get your score in rechecking. Yes, so you just need to do full paragraph and summarize group discussion. Or I already talk about summarize written text. I did so many videos about this one. And then we have one more, that's these are very very important until sixth. Now I'm talking about from my side, it's summarize spoken text too. So if I can help you in this one as well, I can provide you all the predictions file for the summarized spoken text, where you can do all the information, like where you will get all the information how you can do summarized spoken text. Plus you will have just specific lines, you just need to see when you will scan it, it will be in your mind. Like there will be no grammar mistake, there will be no spelling mistake, so it will be in your mind when you will repeat all the data, like all the summarized spoken. And these are not many, these are 60 something. And obviously we used to study a lot when we were in our primary school and secondary school, so we don't need to worry that much, guys. Essay I already provide you, but I can provide you again dictation, I can provide you I can provide you actually predictions file. You just need to repeat that one. Respond to a situation, I can provide you how you can do it. You can fill it, it's template, but it's not template because we can't follow this is very beautiful out of content, we just need to follow content, but it's a very easy way. Describe image, yes, I can provide you as same. We can't say hi, this is very beautiful image, I can say blue color, white color, no. And so we are not supposed to say that. So these are very very important questions which I already provide you, which are regarding writing and speaking. Obviously if you can do your best in speaking and writing, so you are good to go, you will receive good marks. So because if you will do well in speaking, so listening you will get automatically, so you don't need to. And guys, to be very honest, don't forget highlight incorrect words. That's what I forget about. Highlight incorrect word. And to be very honest, some people will say it's very easy. These are very easy, no doubt. These are very easy, but at the end, sometimes some students, like for me, if I will give example for myself, I'm not giving someone example. For me, like when I concentrate, sometimes I can't concentrate, I start thinking about future things. So this is not good. We when we start practicing about highlight incorrect words, it's very easy for us. And for reading, guys, maybe you guys are missing some your marks in reading as well, I can help you in that as well. I can provide you predictions file. Obviously readings, nowadays readings coming all the time new questions in readings, but still we can do our best. But there is a high chance you can get reorder, so I can help you in reorder as well. So that's what we can do. I have all the easy grammar rules and everything, I can provide you that, and then you can follow that one. And I hope so you guys gonna like and subscribe my channel as well. I'm doing very hard work, as you can see, I'm just helping you as volunteer. So at least I you just help someone else who need these video, who are not able to spend that much money. And I'm doing these all videos in English, while I speak Hindi, so I can do that one as well. But I'm doing these one because there are so many students international wise, so they can't afford fee as well, they are not able to attend classes. So I'm here to help you guys. Even in speaking for girls and boys, I just want to give you one tip. No one will tell you, we all have issue with our voice. No one will tell you seriously. If you will join any class, they will not let you know you have any issue. You are speaking like your voice is not good as a girl, your voice not good as a boy. So I can make for you that video too, but it will take time. If you guys will comment, then maybe I will be more motivated. But if you don't, then I'm okay with that. Maybe I will record few videos that I will, because I did last year for early childhood, and that was just for volunteer, because I was aware there are so many agents who were taking from them 1100, 2000 rupees, sorry, dollars, for skill assessments. And I was thinking why they are paying, because we already spend too much money on our study. So as I know every type of skill assessments, how we can do and how I can help for every skill assessments, but people are not that thankful. But that's it, that's how we are human being, that's all good. No worries, thank you so much guys, and if you need any type of help, I'm happy to help you. Please comment below, and I will let you know in next video what you can do. In maybe I will provide you more essay predictions file, or maybe I will go for respond to a situation, because that's very important questions too. And all good, thank you so much guys, bye for now, and see you in the next video. Bye.